Okay, I'm gonna play a little something here. I'm gonna try to put it on the computer. I'm gonna transfer it over to iTunes. Okay, here we go. Okay, Mike. I hope you can hear me. I've got my music maker open. I just downloaded my little bit of tune I played on the keyboard. I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna put it on the screen right here, and then I'm gonna go from there and show you where it's got to go. Okay, give me a second to download it and put it on the screen. Then we're gonna save it and we're gonna transfer it over to iTunes. Okay, so I got my music maker open. Let's go from there. Okay, I've got my music transferred, and I got it on. I got it on up here. I'm gonna add. Here. Let me let you listen to it real quick. This is what I did on the keyboard. I'm gonna transfer it over. It's on Music Maker up here. Okay, that's it right there. Smoke on the water. Easy to do. Okay, now I'm gonna add something to it, and I'm gonna burn it, and I'm gonna show you where to save it at. Okay, let's go down here and add. Let's see, sound pools. We're gonna add just something real simple. I'm gonna add that to it. See what it sounds like. Okay, let's move it over here. I don't like it right there. Alright, now I'm gonna save this, then I'm gonna transfer it to iTunes. So watch what I do. Okay. We're gonna go up here, we're gonna render it. So we just go render. We're gonna export it. We're gonna export it as, we're gonna export it or render it to, let's make it a MP3. We'll make it an MP3 right there. Okay, now I'm going to save it to a file. This is where I'm going to save. I'm going to save it to my desktop up here. Okay, so I'm going to save it to desktop right there. It's going to save it on my desktop over here. So let's save it. Okay, there it is on my desktop. All right, so it's on my desktop now. So I made the file here. And now I put it on my desktop. So all I do is render it. Did you see how I did that? Let me go through it again, okay? Okay, there's the file, just a sample one. Now I want to save it, so I'm going to go to my file. I'm going to export. Yours might have render, but I'm going to export it or render. Export it as, and you can see right here, it's an MP3. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm going to try to zoom in so you can see it. Give me give me a second here. Okay, I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay, you see right there. Yeah, I got it, and I'm going to export it, and I'm going to save it to my desktop, okay? All right. All right. I'm saving it to my desktop. I'm going to do it one more time. Save it to my desktop. I'm going to save it as audio MP3. I can save it anywhere, but I'm going to click this little button right here that says what I want to save, but I'm going to say, let's go to my desktop. I've got it already saved there. Let's save it again. Well, let's name it Smoke on the Water. Okay, we named it Smoke on the Water. Save. Okay, there it is. Okay, it saved it. Now it's on my desktop again. There's two of them on my desktop. So click OK. Let's exit out of there. No, I don't want to save it. Now we got two Smoke on the Waters. Can you see them? On the far left here, there's Smoke on the Water. You can see it or not. You can see it right there. This new one is Smoke on the Water. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to move it over to, I'm going to open up iTunes. I'm going to slide it over to iTunes, okay? So let's watch. Let me open up iTunes. Okay, iTunes is open. This iTunes right here. So now I'm going to take Smoke on the Water, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to drag it over here. And I'm going to put it right there. Let's see if we put it in there. Oh, there it is. There it is on the bottom, right down the bottom. I can see it right down there. There it is. Right, all the way in the bottom. See it? There's what I just saved, Smoke on the Water. There it is, right there on the bottom. Smoke on the Water. Should be on here. Anyway, it's right here. There it is. Now it's in iTunes. I'm playing it in iTunes. It's in iTunes. It's right there. You see it right here. Right here. And it's playing it. It's in iTunes, okay? Alright, I think you got it. Alright, I think you got it. So there it is. I played it on my keyboard, downloaded it to Music Maker, add some adjustments, added some loops and a drum beat to it just for sample purposes. And then I rendered it or exported it to desktop, which is right here, right there. Where I'm moving it around. You can see I'm moving it around. Moved it there to the desktop. Moved it right there. Then I opened iTunes. There's iTunes. And then I just slid it over to iTunes, and it goes right into iTunes, and you're done with it. And then once you get in iTunes, you can play it, and you can do whatever you want with it when you're in iTunes. And there you go. And that's a better video of what I did last time. Okay, Mike. I hope you like it. I hope you get something from it. If not, message me back again. I'll try to explain again. But I think you might get it this time. If not, it's no big deal. We'll do it again. All right, brother. Talk to you later. Bye.